You're not putting us to sleep again, oh man. Because we gotta do an unboxing video first. What's up, YouTube? I'm Master Joel Nathan, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Soupa box from the Soupa shop, or my favorite restaurant, Soupa Saiyan. If you have not heard of Soupa Saiyan, first off, you're welcome. If you're a Dragon Ball Z fan, it is a restaurant you would appreciate. When I first went there back in 2017, it's been a tradition to go there to Orlando anytime I'm down there because I mean, not only is it a place that Dragon Ball Z fans can appreciate, the soup is so good. And of course, with COVID-19 pandemic, 2020 was the first year I could not go to the restaurant. So I am so happy that Soupa Saiyan and the Soupa Shop decided to do this for the fans, and I'm glad they was able to pick one up. So let's get into this unboxing. Now the real fun can begin. Let's see. Because I know there was a delay on this when they're trying to get the pop vinyls for this, so let's see what we got. And we got a Super Saiyan Goku pop vinyl. All right, pretty good. Ooh, let's see what we got. Wait a minute, what? Oh, I almost had a mini heart attack for a second because when I saw this lanyard, I thought it might have been the golden medallion for a second. Of course, the golden medallion will like give somebody free Super Saiyan for life. So when I heard about that, I was like, oh my gosh, yes, I would have loved that. But it's so cool. This is nice. So we got a Super Saiyan lanyard, so that's pretty good. Probably might take that with me to cons because I usually don't get enough lanyards, so it's nice. See, we got nice little Plus Ultra energy drink. Let me go ahead and give a better detailed look on the lanyard. So I like that gold color, it's very nice. So yeah, I think definitely when cons come back, I'll definitely wear that lanyard much more often. And we got some hot chicken flavor ramen. It's pretty good. And ooh, nice little beautiful blue ball right there, Dragon Ball. Sweet. Love it. Let's see. We got a Dragon Ball Star Candy. I don't think I've ever seen this before at the shop. Maybe I just missed it. Some tape right there. It's stuck. Hold on one second. There we go. Ooh, some mini red star candy. I like that. That's so cute. Let's see how these taste. Sorry. Wait, hair is getting in my mouth. Ugh. Yummy! Let's see what else we got. Ooh, some cracker stick with dip. Yan Yan double cream? I don't think I've ever tried that before. Fun animal name games on each stick. Ooh, animal games. Got zebra fancy stripes. This is fun animal name games. You try to play a game with these? I don't know. See how it tastes. Love it. See what else we got. Let's see, is that a magnet or? I think that is something you attach. This little Super Saiyan trinket right there. And we got another My Hero Academia. This is some Hero Sours right there. Yep. This word is getting caught in my mouth. Yes. When I first saw these on the site, I always wanted to try these sensu beans, so I need to try these right away. Yes. So. That's funny. I probably should have cosplayed as Gohan because I'm an android. I don't need sensu beans. My energy lasts forever. Wig problems. If you're a cosplayer, you understand. So, candy sours. Yep. Finally crossed that off the bucket list. And nice, we got a Super Saiyan keychain. Looks good. And, ooh. We have a Pokemon card. It is Malamar. Pretty good. I don't really play Pokemon as much as I used to. I've been always more of a Yu-Gi-Oh person, but I mean, still, it looks like a nice card. So, and we got a grilled seaweed roll. I have never tried anything like that before. I might try that afterward. And that looks like it, but of course the last bit. Golden ticket, yes. So for the golden ticket, of course this gives the winner, well, it gives a person a chance to get the Vegeta statue that is at the Super Saiyan restaurant in Orlando. Of course, I've seen it in person a couple of times I've eaten at the restaurant. So I don't know where I would place it in my house, but it would be pretty cool to win. But yeah, when I just noticed had this box is over 9,000. That's pretty cool. I love this. Definitely probably might keep it as a souvenir for some of my cosplay stuff. Thank you for watching this unboxing video, and again, a big thank you to the Super Shop and Super Saiyan for this. I'm so happy they did this. As a big fan of both the show and the restaurant, I was really happy they did this for their customers and their fans. So thank you all again. All right, love y'all. Happy New Year. Hi, thank you again for watching. If you like the cosplay I'm wearing, this cosplay along with the wig were from Miccostumes, which the wig is a separate purchase, but the cosplay itself includes the scarf, the inner and outer shirts, the leg warmers, and the gun belt and the regular belt. Made some adjustments myself to the cosplay, but it was still a nice cost altogether. And these contacts that I'm using are Pure Light Blue by TTDEYE contacts. I was always looking for like a haunting shade of blue to get that like menacing appearance that 17 and 18 had earlier in the series. And I really like how these contacts turned out. So definitely if you're looking for like vivid, bright contacts to help bring out your character's eyes, I definitely recommend TTDEYE because they do great work. I love them. Thanks again for watching, and again, Happy New Year.